Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix Hulu error Rununk13. Now it's a very easy fix. So firstly what you have to do is, if you're on a computer, go to your internet and network settings right over here, go to network and internet settings again, and over here just simply go inside internet and Wi-Fi, whichever you may be using, and over here you will have an option of DNS, as you can see right over here. Simply click on the edit option and then just simply choose manual. It will be set to automatic. Just simply choose manual. Then enable IPv4 and just simply enter the following DNS, as you can see right over here. Now once you have done that part, click on save, then close the option, and then just simply try to relaunch the application on your computer or laptop. Now once you will do that, and if you're still facing the issue, just simply check if your server is down or not. So just simply type in Hulu server status and open the first link. Now from this step, everyone in every platform can follow. So simply check firstly if your status is available or not, and if it is not available, the only thing that you can do is just simply wait, because until the servers are back online, you will not be able to log back in to Hulu, or you will constantly be facing that exact issue. Now the next thing that you can try is, you can just simply remove the cache file. So if you're using the browser, all you have to do is just simply go to the three lines over here, then go to settings, then just simply search for cache, and then after you find the cache file, just simply search for Hulu and just remove the cache file. Now do the same thing for your Android or iOS device. Hold on to your application, then go to the cache folder and remove the cache file as well. And do the same thing for on TV as well. So once you do all of that, if you're still facing the issue, just simply uninstall the application entirely and then reinstall it, and then the issue will automatically be fixed. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.